Okay guys, I just want to take a second to show you the similar tests using scale factors. I'm going to give you an example of two triangles that are not similar versus two triangles that are similar. Alright, so this is about as basic as I can show you. I got a bottom side on one triangle of 12, and I'm going to put it on top of its corresponding piece. Okay, so that scale factor is 4. Now, let's put 18 on top of 4, its corresponding piece, and that is not 4. That would have to be 16 over 4 to be 4. So this is an example of not similar polygons because the scale factor is not the same. So let's look at the next page. These two are going to be the same, and I'll show you why. 10 is corresponding to 20, so we know that's a 1/2. 16 is corresponding to 32, and we know that's a 1/2. And the same with 14 on top of 28, that's 1/2. Okay, so I just want to make sure, when we test our scale factors, did you notice that all of my tops of my fractions, the 10 and the 16, came from one triangle? That has to be consistent. If you pick 10 to go on the top of the fraction, other pieces of that triangle has to go on the top of the fraction. So sometimes I'll just go ahead and put a T and a B in my triangles, so I know what's the top and what's the bottom of the fractions. Alright, so you see this nice little thing right here? This is an interesting new symbol. That's actually a symbol, and that is our similarity symbol. And this is how we write if two triangles similar. I'm going to go ahead and name the first triangle A, B, C, and starts off just like a congruent statement. And then we're going to draw that little wavy line. That is the similar statement. And then we're going to go on the same path. So if I started at A, I'm going to go D, then to E, and then to F. So that is how I name similar triangles, and using the scale factor I know for sure that these are similar.